Let's talk about complement. Complement is a system of plasma proteins that fight bacteria. Again, this is part of our non-specific immune response. So complement is actually effective against a wide range of bacteria. Complement is able to do its job in three different ways. One, it stimulates inflammation. We've talked about inflammation being a local response to tissue injury, and that also inflammation is a way to call for help. So the way that complement proteins do this is that they activate mast cells. Mast cells, remember, are secreting chemoattractants, and also they secrete chemoattractants. So you can think of complement proteins. One of the things that they're doing is that, that's a megaphone for those of you that don't recognize my drawing, is that they are calling for help whenever they see a bacterium around in the plasma. Another thing that complement does is called opsonization. Opsonization means to coat something. So some of the complement proteins in the system will attach to the surface of the bacterium, and when the bacterium is coated with complement, it makes it much easier for phagocytes in the system to see this bacterium and to ingest it. So once it's coated, it makes it easier for the immune system to detect it and to remove it. So that's opsonization. The third thing that complement does is called cytolysis. All right? Cyto means cell, lysis means to destroy or to burst. And complement does it by assembling in the plasma membrane of the bacterium to form what's called a membrane attack complex. So the membrane attack complex is a series of proteins that arrange themselves to form a pore. This should look familiar because we saw it with perforins and granzymes. To form a pore inside the membrane. Now in this case, it will actually cause the bacteria to rupture. So it will allow water and other things inside the bacterium to come out, and the cell will burst, killing the bacterium.